Positive affirmations can help us reduce stress, lower anxiety, ease depression, and improve overall health and well-being. After you hear and see the affirmation, repeat it aloud or in your head. I am capable. I am innovative. I am brave. I can do difficult things. My ideas are powerful. I can do difficult things. I have every quality I need to achieve success. I am constantly learning. I am constantly learning. I draw from my inner strength. I am focused. My potential to succeed is limitless. I am strong, smart, and capable. I trust myself. I surround myself with people who treat me well. I can accomplish anything through hard work, dedication, and focus.